Hello student, today I am going to revise the chapter number 3, that is trigonometry. Convert the angle into degree measure. Already you know, convert the angle into degree measure. When we convert the angle into degree measure, then we multiply by 180 by pi. And if we want to convert the degree measure into radian measure, then multiply by 180 by pi. So question number 1, 5 pi by 3. 5 pi by 3. So convert this angle into degree measure. Correct? If we want to convert radian into degree measure, then we multiply by 180 by pi. Multiply by 180 by pi. Then you know that pi to pi cancel, and 3 will cancel with this. 3 is 6 18, 300. That is 300 degree. 300 degree. Clear? Now convert the angle into radian measure. Convert the angle into radian measure. If we want to solve this question, that is 40 degree and 20 minute. 40 degree and 20 minute. Convert the angle into radian measure. Then multiply by pi by 180. Firstly convert into degree. 40 degree and 20 by 60, because you know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Correct? So this will cancel. 20 was 20, 23 is 60, that is 40 whole 1 by 3 degree. 43 is 120 plus 1, 121 by 3. Now we want to convert into radian measure. Then multiply by pi by 180. Pi by 180. Correct? That is 121 pi by 18 3 is 540. This is the answer. Correct? Clear? So both concept clear. If we want to convert radian into degree, then multiply by 180 by pi. If we want to convert degree into radian, then multiply by pi by 180. Multiply by pi by 180. You know very well. Can you tell me 1 radian is equal to how many degree? 1 radian is equal to how many degree? That is 57 degree 16 minute. 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 16 minute. Correct? Clear? Now we solve another question. Prove that, question number 3rd. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. Prove that this. Clear? Third question, prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Left hand side, that is cos 4x. Cos 4x, can you write 2 into 2x? Cos 4x, can you write 2 into 2x? Clear? Now can you tell me the formula cos 2a? Cos 2a formula. Cos 2a, there are 4 formulas. First cos square x minus sin square x. cos square A minus sin square A. Second in the form of sine, 1 minus 2 sin square A, and the third 2 cos square A minus 1, and the fourth in the form of tan, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So in this question we want to apply the formula in the form of sine, 1 minus 2 sin square A. I want to apply this formula. Clear? Now apply this formula here. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. Clear this step? Now apply formula sin 2x. You can write like this. This step, sin 2x. And the formula for sin 2x. Formula for sin 2x. You know that 2 sin x cos x. Formula for sin 2x, that is 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x whole square. Yeah. Now for the simplification, 1 minus 2 and 2 sin x cos x whole square, multiply 2 times, then it becomes 4 sin square x cos square x. When you simplify this, 2 for the 8 sin square x cos square x. This is right hand side. Clear? This is the proof of this question. In this question we apply two formulae. Cos 2a, that is 1 minus 2 sin square A, and this is the second one, formula sin 2x. Sin 2x you know very well, 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x. And with the help of this formula, can you tell me formula of sin x? Final formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This is the formula for sin 2x. Clear? Now we start next question. Next, sin square x, sin square x plus sin square x plus pi by 3 plus sin square x minus pi by 3, that is equal to 3 by 2. We want to prove this question, correct? Now can you tell me the formula for sin square x? Formula for sin square x. Formula is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. This is the formula for sin square x. Clear? With the help of cos 2x formula, we can create this formula. Apply this formula here, left hand side. Sin square x. Apply this formula. Sin square x. You can write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Here apply formula. 1 minus cos 2x, it means multiply it by 2. 2x plus 2 pi by 3 divided by 2. Here apply formula sin square x, same formula apply here. 1 minus cos 2x minus pi by 3 upon 2. Correct? You can check. Okay. Now you can take common. You can take common. You can take common 1 by 2. 1 by 2 common. Then 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus 1 minus cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. Right. In this step we take 1 by 2 common from all three terms. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, and the rest 3 term take minus common. Rest 3 term take minus common. It become cos 2x plus 2 pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. Apply here formula cos x plus cos y. Apply this formula cos x plus cos y. Formula you know very well, 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. This is the formula, correct? We apply this formula here. This formula 2 cos x plus y divided by 2. This plus this divided by 2. This plus this divided by 2. Correct? This plus this divided by 2. When you add these two terms, then when you multiply it, here also 2 pi by 2 pi, here also 2 pi, here also 2 pi. When you add these two terms, then 2 pi by 3 cancel. 2 pi by 3 cancel. So 2x plus 2x, 4x divided by 2, that is 2x. Cos, when you apply this term cos x minus y by 2, this minus this divided by 2, the here 2 pi by 3. 1 by 2, 3 minus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. Now simplify this term. You can write cos pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. 1 by 2, 3 minus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. Yes, apply your formula cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta minus cos pi by 3. This is the formula cos pi minus theta, that is minus cos theta. You can apply this formula here. Now, what is the value of cos pi by 3? 1 by 2, 3 as it is, minus cos 2x plus 2 cos 2x. What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos 60, value cos 61 by 2. 2 to 2 cancel. Therefore 1 by 2, 3 minus cos 2x minus cos 2x. Cos 2x minus cos 2x. This will cancel 0. The answer is 3/2. Right hand side. Correct. This is question number 4. Okay. The revise chapter 3rd. Thank you.